Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my dashboard layout, and it is for the month of August. So we are going to be doing the first week of August, which is the 1st through the 7th. I do have to redate this planner. As you can see, it is outdated, but I just love how neutral this is, so I am using it. Anyhow, if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you guys like it here, and if you are coming back and spending more time with me, thank you so much. I'm so thankful. So I'm just gonna glue this page down on the left side, and I'm gonna trim it to size like so. There we go. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other page out of the planner really quickly, like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this. So today I'm gonna be using several things. I'm gonna be using the floral sticker book from Recollections, which is quite older, and I'm going to be using this lovely sticker, not sticker, but scrapbook paper that I found in my stash. I thought this was so pretty. So, and the colors kind of match, so I decided to combine all of these. So I'm going to put a piece up here and then a piece on the edge up here. So I'm going to be working on it. I do want a smaller piece up there, so let's go ahead and do that. That will work. I don't want to cover any of my functional parts. As you guys know, I use these planners quite religiously. I don't think I have missed a day of using a planner in over a year now, or almost a year now. I know the only time I missed it was when I was moving, so it's became quite a routine for me. Okay, let's hammer this down, do the other side as well. Look at how pretty this is. I love how vibrant it is. It is still very much summer, even though it's like the end of it, right? I know kids are going back to school soon, so a lot of people are feeling kind of the end of this. And since I don't have any kids, I don't feel like that part of it, but I completely get it. So I'm gonna add one more little piece, and as you can see, I'm kind of, they're all about putting glue to make sure it adheres. And I'm gonna place some beautiful flowers on it. I think that works pretty well. Like with those colors, it's bright and vibrant and great. Look how beautiful these are. Like they melt into each other. Sometimes I forget how many stickers I truly have, and I go through my stash and I'm like, oh yeah, I do have this. It's kind of cool. So if you guys have that feeling too, maybe it's time to dig into your stash, huh? Because I forget what I have, which is pretty sad. So I haven't been buying too many new stickers. I've bought like accessory kits. I've bought some planners that I'm going to be using for next year. But outside of that, I haven't been really buying stickers. Unless it's like Live Love Posh. Because I am truly obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna add a few more little things to add color to the page. I think this is looking very full and lovely. And then we're gonna add some boxes to make sure that I can write, because as you can see, I did not leave that much space for myself. And then we'll redate really fast to make sure I know what I'm doing. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I took some pastel boxes from Mojo Jojo and I'm gonna place them all around to make sure that they look good. So I want some yellows, some greens, some blues, and then maybe a red. So this is the summer box. I'm gonna grab those vibrant blues. So I'm gonna place one on Sunday to create an area for myself to write on. And let's redate this really quick. I'll just continue going with the same stickers, I think, these big round ones, and then we'll go from there. Let's see. Yeah, I think that works fairly well, and I like how they stand out with all of the blackness against all of the color, so I can really tell what day it is. Okay, let's make that straight, and then one more. Done. Okay, now back to boxes. I need another blue one to kind of balance this out. And I'll take green ones, some yellow. I think that's good. Yeah, I think that looks fun. Okay, and then red. I'm gonna straighten that one out. I've been so much better about putting stickers straight. I don't know what happened to me, but hey, I'll take it. It looks good. Okay, let's put this one a little lower. Yep, that looks good. Just straightening them out. I'm gonna add two more. So one on Friday, one on Saturday. I don't know what my schedule for videos will be like just yet. I've been quite behind, so I'm trying to catch up a little. And that, and then a yellow one. Yep. And that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.